thumbnails. One of the most essential and most hardest thing any man has ever had to do. You ask your friends what app you should use, Photoshop. You ask your Discord server, Photoshop. You ask your family, Photoshop. You search up Photoshop and you realize it's gonna cost more than your mortgage. So today, I've got 3 Photoshop alternatives so you can make the best thumbnails possible. First Photoshop alternative is Paint.net. Paint.net is used by this guy. Look how sick these thumbnails are. It's like Photoshop, but with a few less tools. But it is certainly a great alternative than paying that $230 bill. The second Photoshop alternative is Canva. Now in the past, I've used this. And this is insane. It's all on your browser, so you don't have to download one little thing. You can just load it and log in. However, don't click off the video, I ain't finished. Canva does make you pay for background removing only. Calm down, just background removing. But you can use this website for background removing. Just do that, copy, paste, boom, easy. The third and final best Photoshop alternative is Photopea. Photopea is godly. It's Photoshop, but it's free. That's right, free. You don't have to pay for any tools. It's just free. It's easy to learn if you try and actually learn. You can even open Photoshop files into Photopea. That could include a thumbnail pack from anyone. If you're really looking for a Photoshop alternative, then use this son of a bitch.